Okay, when you end on your last row, there's occasions where you can't use a pull bar. The alternative to that is to shave the locking lobe off of the groove side of the plank that's on the floor. Now we've already done the short side here. What I'm going to do is carry on and just you want to be sure and get all the debris out as best you can. Make sure there's none in your track. Then you want to take a bead of glue. Just a small bead, doesn't take much. Run it down on the groove side of your plank. I'm going to engage it as close as I can get. Taking my pull bar. Once again, I also want to take some tape. Once I get that in place, and use the tape, simply hold it tight till the glue sets up. I've already prepared this piece in the same manner, so I'll take my glue, drop my piece in. That was so simple I didn't even need a pull bar. Now I'm ready for my fast trim.